Hi mga sisi ko! Welcome back to my new vlogs. For today's vlog mga sisi ko, nandito tayo sa Semen Monastery. Samahan nyo kaming lumibot. Pero hindi ako sure kung pwede yung camera sa loob ng monastery. So we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, Malco. Are you done?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
I just need to
I need to cover. It's cold.
Okay, let's go.
Kanina hindi naman siya malamig. Bakit ngayon parang lumamig? Nasa tuktok siguro kasi may bundok. Yes, thank you. Nasa tuktok kasi kami ng bundok. Ay, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na nga mga sisi ko. Papasok na tayo sa loob. Hindi ko alam kung pwede yung camera. So, ang gagamitin ko lang ay phone.
You want to hold something for you? Of course. But here we are.
Just hide it, mahal ko. With your cup.
No, I cannot hide it.
It's hard.
Should I take my coins, Malco? I forgot the coins.
Sisi ko.
Hold for me if you want.
Hmm?
Hold for me if you want.
No, it's okay. Na 25-24 Museyat Nyaman na Harabuti Vasily Frasitnitsi. Ayan mga sisi ka, nasa loob na kami. Casa tickets.
Oh, this is big.
Mga sisi ko, nag-picture taking kami ng asawa ko. Punta kami sa... Yes, I will remember that. Hindi allowed mag-photo sa church.
Should we close this to save button?
Yeah, like this. Set allow.
Okay. The front of this? For the church or the home?
Sisi ko, nakapasok kami sa simbahan. Bawal yung camera at saka video. So, ngayon, dito naman kami ng sisi ko.
Here you can take photos.
Because it's for picture taking. Okay naman para sa mga sisi ko, kahit rubber shoes yung suot ko. Hindi siya gaano madulas. Ang ganda mga sisi ko. Where? Inside?
Yeah.
But it's locked. Okay, let's go. Pwede pala kami pumasok. We're allowed to go inside?
Yeah. It's like exhibition hall.
Ito yung loob ng sisi ko.
See, this is pottery from the beginning of 20th century. It's like recent. Also, some dishes. Sorry, not pottery. I think the correct term is clay. Clay pot. Pottery. And
Ayan. Carabao.
it's around.
Ah. Kala ko Carabao eh. Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Yeah. Outside of the monastery is nothing to say.
Mm-hmm.
So in the monastery, I think the monastic, the monastic lift. How is it called?
Ako lang mag-isa. May kukunin lang yung asawa ko sa sasakyan. Tapos nalobat pa yung camera ko. So, gamitin ko na lang yung phone. Mga sisi ko, nandito tayo sa...
The church. Oh, this is the exhibition hall or something.
Exhibition hall.
But this is the church is.
Tapos sa likod natin, ay harap natin, ito yung
The
simbahan.
church is built, I think, they said 11th century, but it's possible to be built in the 9th century, which is like 800 something. You know, I'm not. It's not known for sure.
It's not, it's unknown.
For sure. Yes.
Okay. Pamamahan ko. Let's walk there. Malamig na kasi ito. Ngayon, tapos na kami. Nalabas na kami ng asawa ko. So, let's go here, mahal ko. What do you call this one?
This is the monastery itself. This is
Also monastery.
Yeah, this is the monastery. The Zemen monastery.
Explain to me while we're just walking.
Well, I would like to, but I don't know much about the monastery. I just know about the church. I read about the church that is like right there. It was probably built during the 11th century. I know some details about the Ktitors. It was like they were Serbian nobles from the Dragaš line. Sevastokarator Dejan and his wife Teodora Evdokia, which was actually sister of the Serbian king Stefan Dusan, I believe. So this was in the mid 14th century, and their genitors are actually the titles of the church. I don't know much more. I didn't read about that.
But it's okay. Thanks to you.
Uh-huh.
Mga sisi ko, tapos na tayo. Uwi na tayo. Back to car na tayo, mga sisi ko.
Oh,
Stop ko mga asawa. Sabi ko, bili kami ng pizza. Nagugutom ako. Ayan, waiting siya.